Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to revise the appreciation of the poem Hope is a Thing with Feathers. It is for 5 marks. Hope is the thing with feathers. Appreciation. First point, title. The title of the poem is Hope is the Thing with Feathers. Second point, poetess. The poem is written by Emily Dickinson. Third point, rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the first 2 stanzas is AB, AB, and the third stanza is AB, CB. Fourth point, figures of speech. Alliteration, metaphor, personification, these figures of speech are used. First, alliteration, and on the strangest sea, sound of yes is repeated. Second, metaphor, hope is a thing with feathers. Here hope is compared to the thing with feathers. Third, personification, hope is a thing with feathers. Here the word hope is described as a living thing, that is bird. Fifth point, theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is the role played by the hope in our lives. According to the poetess, hope is compared with a little bird that sits in everybody's heart. The author has shown hope is a living thing. Hope helps in every difficult times and asks nothing in return.